Hey everyone, this comprehensive guide covers the Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 router featuring setup instructions, user settings, and key troubleshooting tips for peak performance. Connect your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router to your modem using the Ethernet cable, then plug the router into a power outlet to turn it on. Find the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password on the router's label and use these credentials to connect your device. To change your Wi-Fi name or a password, log into the My Spectrum app and update your credentials. If you have trouble connecting, try moving closer to the router, restarting it, and checking all cables connections. Step 1. Unbox and identify component. Unpack your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router and locate the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and the router itself. Find the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password on the label on the router. Step 2. Connect your hardware. Plug the power adapter into the router and then into a wall outlet. Connect the Ethernet cable from your modem to the Internet WAN yellow port on the router. The port is usually labeled and may have two ridges for tactical identification. If you want to connect the computer or other device via Ethernet, use the 1G or 2.5G Ethernet LAN ports on the router. Step 3. Power on and wait for initialization. Turn on your modem and wait for it to fully boot up. Power on your router by plugging it in. Wait for the front panel light to turn solid blue. This means the router is connected to the internet and ready to use. Blue flashing, boot up, blue eSync, connect to internet, solid blue, connected and ready, red or blue light. See troubleshooting sections in the user guide. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings, select the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID shown on the router's label, example Spectrum Setup XXXX. Enter the default Wi-Fi password from the label. For iOS, open the Settings app, tap Wi-Fi and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Select Spectrum Setup from the list. Tap it, then enter the default password from your router's label to connect. For Android, open the Settings app, tap Connections on Network and Internet. Then tap Wi-Fi, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled, select Spectrum Setup, enter the default password from the router's label and tap Connect. Step 5. Download and set up the My Spectrum app. Scan the QR code on the router's label or download the My Spectrum app available for iPhone and Android. Sign in with your Spectrum username and password. If you don't have an account, visit Spectrum account online and select Create a username. Step 6. Personalize your Wi-Fi network. Change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password for better security. Open the My Spectrum app and sign in. Tap or click on Services and select your Wi-Fi 7 router. Tap or click Manage Network. Enter your new network name, SSID, and password, then save your changes. Set up a guest network. In the My Spectrum app or web interface, go to Services and select your router. Look for the guest network option and tap or click it. Turn on the guest network, set a name and password, and save your settings. Step 7. Optimize router placement. Place the router in a central open location on a raised surface for the best coverage. Avoid placing it in closets, media centers, behind TVs, or near devices like cordless phone and microwaves that can cause interference. Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 router troubleshooting tips. Check physical connection. Inspect all cables connecting your modem and router, including power and Ethernet cable. Verify that each cable is securely plugged into the correct port. Check the cable for any sign of damage or wear and replace if necessary. Power cycle your modem and router. Method 1. Using power source. Unplug both your modem and router from the power source. Wait at least 60 seconds, then plug them back in modem first, then router. Method 2. Using app. Sign in using the same credentials as your online Spectrum account. Select the Services and Equipment tab. Scroll down and select your device Wi-Fi 7 router from the Internet category. Select Restart Equipment, then click Restart Wi-Fi 7 router button. Your pod will begin to restart automatically. Reboot or reset your router. Soft reboot. Hold the reset button for 5 to 14 seconds to restart the router without erasing settings. Factory reset. Hold the reset button for 15 plus seconds or use the web interface to restore factory settings. Note, This erases custom Wi-Fi names or password. Test a wired connection. If wired devices work but Wi-Fi does not, the issue is isolated to the wireless network. If wired devices also fail, the problem is likely with the modem or the service itself. Connect a computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable and check if you have internet access. Add Wi-Fi ports optional. For larger homes, plug in Spectrum Wi-Fi ports in an area with a weak signal and use the app to add them to your network up to 5 ports per router. Reduce device load and interference. Disconnect unnecessary devices from your Wi-Fi. Switch to the 5 GHz band for nearby device and 2.4 GHz band for farther ones. If all else fails, connect support or by calling 833-267-6094 for advanced troubleshooting, remote diagnostics or hardware replacement. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.